Hey everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a beauty director at Sephora.
Hey everyone, I'm David, also a beauty director here at Sephora, and we have a really fun video for you. We are doing another challenge video. So exciting, we love doing these.
Yeah, so our challenge videos are where we're given literally a box of products like we're salivating over because they're always like new, fun, and exciting. And we have one model to do 2 different looks on. I feel like we know each other's styles so well.
We do.
We try to sort of like one-up each other, but also like impress each other at the same time.
And show a different side of the model.
Yeah, a different side of our own aesthetics too. So
Yeah.
I think you guys are really gonna like this one.
So some of the products we had were really, I think right now, some of the top makeup sort of artistry brands out there that are really derivative of that.
I feel like it's like my top 3 in one video.
Yeah.
For sure.
So I had chosen, because I saw it and I almost passed out, from Pat McGrath Labs, this incredible palette.
That went in my cart as soon as I saw it.
And I chose a Huda Beauty lipstick. And so this was really sort of like I want to do something in a colorful, fun way. And then you kind of went a little different route.
I went a little different. So I love Charlotte. I feel like I drive her crazy every time I see her because I just love her so much. And this is the new palette of Pops, the Pillow Talk palette. It has all these beautiful shimmery colors in it, bronzes, looks good on any skin tone. So I kind of went crazy with that on the eyes. And then I wanted the skin to be like glowy and like just gorgeous. So I used one of my favorite palettes, the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Oh, and a beautiful Pat McGrath Labs
That lip is so
lipstick.
gorgeous.
It's oxblood.
So as you've seen before, in these challenge videos, we actually give you an opportunity to vote for the look you love the best. Nobody gets fired. Nobody gets in trouble. It's really just for fun. Yeah. So you'll find at the end of the video, there's a little eye icon you can click on and it gives you where to vote from. So it's all in good fun. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump in and we're each going to take this one model, Allie, who's absolutely gorgeous and stunning, and we're going to transform her with these products and then break it down for you. So you get a chance to see what we used, why we used it, how we created the look. So I think it's time to jump in and do some makeup, don't you? Okay, everyone, so here's my look. I'm really excited to show you about this and jump into the products. First off, we got to talk about how I prepped for the eye, because I think that's really important, as obviously this is an eye-focused look for me. I went with the NARS, and this is the Pro Prime Smudge Proof eyeshadow base, and it's a tinted shade. So I used the shade Medium on Allie, and what that is it's a great primer for the eye because it locks your shadows into place, but it also creates a blank canvas because it has a little tint to it. So it's very easy to get really nice artistry looks like this and make sure your colors pop, which obviously I wanted here. So next up, what I went into, of course, is the hero product. This is the Pat McGrath Labs BLITZ Astral Quad eyeshadow palette in Nocturnal Nirvana. And yes, that is my hero. This is such a gorgeous palette. First of all, Pat is known for her beautiful, incredible textures of her eyeshadows, and of course, the use of unique and interesting colors. I loved all the colors in this. I went a little crazy when I saw it. I was like screaming like a little kid. But what I think is I chose to use 3 of the shades. Honestly, for me, I would say with this for an everyday person, look at this as an accessory to your makeup wardrobe. Use each color with your neutral palette, and it's a great way to get a lot of use out of this. But let's see what I did here. This is a really gorgeous collection of bold jewel tones and a great gold in here. So what I did was I really based a majority of the look with this beautiful turquoise shade, as you can see if you look down one second. I brought that over the lid and I really focused it into the crease. And this is giving a lot of dimension and fun with the color. So then through the top of the lid, the central portion, and then the inner corner, I use this beautiful gold tone, and it blends really seamlessly. As you can see, these shadows blend right into each other, and they create almost like a duochrome. They make it look like there's a lot more color there than there actually is. And then this gorgeous deep purple I used on the lash line, and then look straight ahead for us, hon. That's all underneath. So you're really getting a really nice transition of 3 of those beautiful shades that create a gorgeous graphic cat eye lift, a little definition to the crease. It's just a fun way to use color. I didn't use this one, but I will say it's an absolutely gorgeous shade on its own. And like I said, you can use these separately or together. So of course I had to add a little bit of lash drama here. So I went with Lilly Lashes, the Light Mink collection, and this is the style Luxe. And it's a gorgeous, fluffy, yet not overwhelming, because I didn't want this to be just a lash look, but it just gives that beautiful extra definition to the eye, a little extra fun drama for night, and quite a bit of a lift on the outside, which was exactly what I wanted. I think they just look really good on her and go perfectly with this eyeshadow look. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Anniversary, which is this gorgeous, beautiful, neutral tan tone. It's great. It really gives that gorgeous nude lip that we really love when we're doing bold colors on the eye, so you're not getting any competition. And the matte texture of this is so velvety. It's so easy to apply. It's really comfortable. Isn't it really comfortable on the lips?
Yeah,
it's
really
not
nice.
drying.
No, not at all.
It's almost like a mousse, like cushiony. So it really gives you that beautiful matte lip without feeling heavy or weighted down. And I just really love this color because it's that really great 90s nude. And I think that really pairs really great with the colorful eye. So that the whole look is really balanced and still has a fun wearability to it.
So with this look, I wanted to create something a little different than what David did. So I did a really beautiful lip, but first let's talk about these eyes. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Palette of Pops Luxury Eyeshadow Palette, the Pillow Talk version. So that soft pinky signature color that Charlotte is famous for. So it has this champagne color, this peachy color, pink and bronze. I use the bronze on the outer corners, and then I pop that peachy pink color in the center of the eye, and it all kind of just like blends together. So I feel like this is a really good palette for beginners because it's so shimmery that if you don't blend something just perfectly, it works really, really well. I used some nice black liner to sort of make sure that it had this smoky kind of vampy effect to it. So for the black liner, I used something really cool actually. This is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Life Aligner Double-Ended Eyeliner Liquid and Pencil. So it has a pencil on one end, super creamy, super black, and then it has this super waterproof liquid on the other end. So I smudged the pencil and then I went over the lashes just to kind of seal them in with this liquid liner. It's super, super long lasting. I put it on my hand the other day and it stayed on all day. So that gave it a really beautiful look. Okay, so the lip I think is sort of like almost equal focus with the eye because the eye is gorgeous and just texturally beautiful. So this is the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick in McMenemy. So it has this really sort of beautiful oxblood deeper color, but when you sheer it out, it has this nice sort of lighter wine color. So depending on how much you lay it down, the color can change. So it has this natural ombre effect to it as well. I wanted to keep it kind of satin, even though I was very tempted to put one of Pat's really beautiful glosses over it because I didn't want it to compete with the shimmeriness of the eyes. And what we did to top it all off, one of my favorite things, is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Now we didn't use much of this because we didn't want to take away from the dramatic lip and the shimmery eye. So if you look at this palette, you'll notice there's a little tray over these top two. So those are cream. The tray is on them so they don't dry out. So you have the cream and then you have the powder down here. So when you layer the cream and then the powder on top, it gives this dramatic, beautiful sort of glow, and it's like megawatt shine. So I took a little bit of this Duo Glow, which is the blush version, and just put a little bit of that on there, just pretty much the tiniest little bit, and then I buffed it in with the foundation brush. So it had a glow to it, and she had a little bit of flush in her cheeks, but it didn't compete with the lip. And I did this after I did the lip, so I didn't put too much. I also took some of this cream, sort of glow cream base, and I put it on the body as well. And then I highlighted her entire body pretty much because I wanted the same glow that was in the face to kind of be congruent with the body. So it just had its overall sort of romantic look to it. So there you go. Hopefully you guys voted and found something that you were inspired by. Remember, it's all in good fun. If you have anything to add to what we did today, any questions you have, put them in the comment section below.
We love to hear from you. We absolutely are on there. You see us typing away, commenting back to you all. I love to hear all the feedback and all the love. And this is really about makeup. You know, these brands are really great makeup artistry brands, and we're really here to celebrate the beauty and the fun of makeup with this. That's why we challenged ourselves with this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel channel so you all can get new videos from us every single week. And until next time, have a great day and play with those eyeshadow palettes. Bye all.
Bye.